I was gonna bring you back some Cuban food, but it wasn't in the budget. I'm sorry.
It's all over and just pile it up. Woo!
Another one down. That's what, 3 loads? 1 load on the rollback, 2 cans?
Yep.
And you need about 6 more?
Maybe.
Well, you got beating the sun figured out, don't you?
Yeah.
This is awesome. What do you call it?
Relativo cheap energy.
Relativo cheap edition?
No electric.
No electric?
Gas,
No gas?
solar, no magnet. No, I'm using wind power.
Wind power. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Takže
Nice.
for wind power is need making construction for balance.
Oh, for balance.
No, because you having 2 energy.
Okay.
One energy potential constant.
Oh, yeah.
To say heavy. Yeah.
Heavy.
Second, kinetic vibration. Yeah, look. Regulation for wind power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, does that help you turn?
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Second time, is need different equals position for sky.
Oh, for your neck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For body. Light,
Light? Yeah.
light, flower and flower for America because United States America people you help me for my operation.
Oh, okay. So you're thankful of Americans?
Americans, yes,
Yeah.
for medicamentos. Takže to je second my houses, United States America present. Thank you very much people for United States America.
Yeah, great.
Celebrate day for me every day
Yeah.
because United States America people in my second my life.
Yeah.
No operation, my life finished.
Yeah, you'd be over, huh? Yeah.
Takže I would like making present because I have invention. Looking, back.
Oh, I can't get over there. There's cars coming.
Yes. This, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Inventors. Cool bike, man. Thank you. Go, Nick. It's your birthday. You gonna cut it like it's your birthday? Junkman Nick. Woo!
Like my new car?
Sitting on the job. Yeah, that's great. Hell yeah. Convertible even.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Hold my deer, bro. Looks like a shipwreck in the bottom of the ocean. All right, we're with Junkman Joey. What are we doing, Joey? Cutting this damn tire up, he said. So he starts on the outside, all the way around. Because he's a brute. Look at him sweat. He's just getting it, boy. Bam. A flipperoo. 23 seconds so far. He's almost got this tire kicked. Look how he just spreads it because he's a man. Give me that. Grabs it by the flap.
You come out of your house and your tires have no sidewalls.
Yeah. Suspect your local scrapper. Bam.
No sidewall, you look for Joey.
Look at here. So he does this because there's still a bunch of steel around that band. And he's gonna get paid for it. Doing it for years, never had any complaints. Look at that. That's called added value.
Filet.
Filet o rubber. Bam, almost done. Who needs a tire machine when you got Joey? Bam. It's not the easy life, but it's a pay me life, right?
I'm at the gym, CrossFit.
He's at the gym right now, CrossFitting in his head. He's getting it. Bam. 1 minute, 48 seconds. Only because he missed a couple ones. Bam. So I noticed my buddy Joey over here, just like standing, moping. And I thought I'd come interview him and see, how does this make you feel?
Dead.
Dead.
Torch cutting for 3 or 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, you tell me.
Yeah? You're done?
Out
You're
in the
over it?
rain,
You want to go take a nap?
I want to go lay on my bed and die.
He's going to go home and die.
Till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow. And we're going to go do laundry. See you,
Then
peace.
We'll go to Three Palms.
Three Palms in the morning.
Cafe.
Three Palms Cuban Cafe on Dixie Highway. So good. Coffee that will make you poop instantly.
I'm going to go to sleep.
Instantly, nothing else.
I'm going to, when I get home, and walk in the door, I'll probably fall down there.
You gotta shower first, dude.
If I make it there.
All right, later, guys.
That shit just seems strange. Yeah,
I be trying to get the